and welcome to my channel. I just wanted to come on really quickly and show you how I used a Bitmoji scene to create a virtual little e-card for my graduating seniors. So I had a few this year. I'm a high school teacher. I only had 3, but I actually created this scene and I really liked it. So this is what I did. I started with my basic Bitmoji classroom. So we're going to right click, change background, or you could go up here at the top, change background. I'm going to choose an image, search Google, floor and wall. Let's do this one with the white, with the wood. That's pretty. And here I'm going to add my insert. I'm not going to download an image for my whiteboard. I'm going to just do a shape, a rectangle right here. And I need to add a background to it. I need to add a border to it. So up here is my border color. I usually stick to the blue scale, so I'm going to go a blue color, and I want to make it pretty thick so it looks like a whiteboard. Then I'm going to go here. You can insert text box, or here, insert and text box. Get your crosshairs, highlight this, put in your text box, and then I'm going to type in my text. Congratulations, Kate. I am so proud of you. This slide is interactive. So I let them know. I'm going to highlight that and put that in red. And I know I'm going to be inserting, in this case, I know I want to insert the book, the places you'll go. And I'm going to create a window with ocean scene. So please click on the book, the ocean outside, and the graduation cap. Highlight that all. Let's increase the font, make it very legible. And I want it to be centered in my slide. I just keep hitting plus until it looks good to me. And then I go right over here, down arrow. Here is where I can center my text. There's my whiteboard. So now I'm going to insert an image. Let's search the web. Let's get a transparent chair. I like this one, but I want to put it in this empty space over here. So it looks like I'm going to have to flip it. So I'm going to right click, rotate, and flip horizontally. There we have it. Slide it down, put it in place. And I have to have a window. So I'm going to insert an image, search the web, and instead of a chair, I want a window. I like this one with the panes. Drag this over here. Notice it's in front of the chair, so I go up here to arrange, order, send back. And now it's behind my chair. My chair is in front of the window, so that's good. And now I'm going to insert the ocean scene. So we're going to insert, and I'm going to just look for an ocean scene. Actually, more of a beach, because I like to see some of the sand if possible. Oh, there's a nice one. Yep, I'll just take that one, because I like palm trees too. Insert. Drag it over here to my window. I'm going to put it right inside that frame. I can crop it down or squish it down. It won't make a difference. Actually, squishing it down makes it better. But now it looks like a picture in a frame. Arrange, order, let's send it all the way back. There we go. Now you see the picture or the beach scene right outside your window. Now I'm going to insert a table, because in here I do want to put a table. And I want it transparent. I like this one. Drop it down a little bit. Slide it down a little bit. I'm gonna swoosh it down more. There we go. And on here, I'm going to insert, I want just the book cover. There we go. Size it down. Put it on my table. I also want to add some, let's add a cupcake. Should we add a cupcake? Let's insert a cupcake. So we want a transparent cupcake. Shrink it down. Put it on the table. Now I need the cap and gown because that was the other thing I wanted to do because I love pomp and circumstance. So I've got to get a cap, maybe not a gown, cap and diploma. There we go. Oh, I like this one. Shrink it down. I'm going to set it right here in the chair. Now, what's a Bitmoji scene without a Bitmoji? So I'm going to go up here to my extension, add the Bitmoji, and I want to go to the posing one. I want to be pointing. It's right here. This is my recents. It's found under pose. Right click, copy image, right click, paste. I've got to flip her, so right click, rotate, flip horizontally. Now she's facing the right way. You know what I was just thinking? I should probably put my name on here. So I'm going to bring that up, and I'm going to bring that up, and I'm going to insert another text box. And I'm going to get a cursive script here. There we go. Love, Mrs. Tarleton. Okay, so I've got my scene together. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to link this book here to the story of the places you'll go. So it's going to be read to them. So here I have I right clicked, grabbed the link, I copied that. Here I have the image highlighted. Go up here, click link. It's already connected to the book, so Control V will paste my link. And now when they click on the book, it will be read to them. Okay, so I've got that linked. Now I wanted to add some ocean sound to the ocean, but see how this frame around her is really big? If they click on the ocean, if they're not right here, it's gonna grab her. So double click that. Let's crop out that empty space around my Bitmoji. So when I click around her, I'm not gonna get her, I'm gonna get everything but her. Because I also wanna get that graduation cap over here. So here we go. So we also have ocean sounds. Right click, copy link, click on my ocean, go up here to link, Control V will paste my link. So the last thing I wanted was pomp and circumstance because we don't have a graduation without that. So as far as that, I also went a Google search, pomp and circumstance, and I found this one. Copy link, I right click, copy link. Now click on my cap and my diploma. Go up here to link. Control V will paste that link, apply. Now, when you click on the link, it's going to play Pomp and Circumstance. I think it just needs one more element. And the element I want to add, because I want it to be a festive scene, is I want to have some garland. What is it called? Banner. Transparent banner. Oh, I like this one. I'm just cropping it down to make it stretch nicely. There we go. Fits perfectly. The other one was kind of curved the wrong way. And there you have it. All I need to do now is to title it. And then I'm going to share it to Kate. Another thing I was thinking I could do the same thing for retirees, things like that. If I wanted to maybe put an Amazon gift card, click on the cupcake and get an Amazon gift card, so it links directly to their virtual gift card. This is what I came up with. Hope you like it. Step out and be uniquely wonderful you. Have a good day.